Have you ever really had a teacher? One who saw you as a raw but precious thing, a jewel that with wisdom could be polished to a proud shine. If you are lucky enough to find your way to such teachers, you'll always find your way back. Happy Teachers' Day.
Honestly, there are so many memories that I would want to share, but there's just this one little memory of my birthday where I received like a huge card and there was a fairy on it, and then inside there were like so many birthday wishes from like almost everyone in the school, and that's when I knew that Indian Heritage School is gonna be a big part of my life and my family forever.
My dad took me to IHS to write the entrance exam. And this nice lady, Mrs. Anand, gave me 2 Kit Kats. And I don't know what is it that she said to me, but I was convinced that this is the place for me to be. That this woman right here will take care of me and I'm gonna be really happy here. And I wasn't wrong. There were people who believed in me in moments I absolutely didn't. I remember telling my house teachers, oh my god, I can't act. I can't speak on the stage. That's not who I am. I can probably write, but that's about it. And they were like, how will you know unless you try? And they pushed me to do everything. I did debates and dramas and declamations. I mean, you name it and I've done it. Because there were people who pushed me to be my best self all the time. And I can't tell you what a gift it is to have someone who believes in you to that extent. A very, very happy Teachers' Day to all my favorite people. Thank you.
So this is to all the teachers who have taught us more than just textbooks, to all the teachers who have instilled confidence in us to stand our ground in the real world, to all the teachers who have inculcated in us the importance of realizing our dreams and following them with perseverance and passion, to Mr. and Mrs. Anand, a very, very happy Teachers' Day.
I feel really proud to say that I have been a part of this school, and it has surely helped me a lot in my life with all those co-curricular activities, sports and educational programs that used to take place, and I still cherish those moments till date. I would like to quote one thing, that the best teachers in the world teach with their heart and not from the books, and I think that is how the teachers have taught me here in IHS, and I would really like to wish all the teachers here at IHS a very, very happy Teachers' Day.
I remember I joined school when I was in 5th, and there were many small children as scared as I was, and sir made sure to put his arm around every student and assure them that we can get through this, and I'm sure that arm is still around each and every one of us till date. The hostelers, they crave for homely food, and they were sure that they are always welcomed at Principal Ma'am's house for her delicious rajmas, and they would use the liberty to end up there quite sometimes. The teachers have been more like friends to us throughout our schooling years, and that is why we still want to go back to school to feel that emotion. And I wish them all a happy Teachers' Day and wish to come back to IHS just to feel like that again.
My family shifted here from Amritsar, and I came here as an average student with a fear of making new friends. But IHS built that confidence in me, and I owe whatever I am today to Mr. Anand and the teachers of the school. Thanks a lot. Happy Teachers' Day to all.
I remember being a new student and I was made to participate in the inter-house play competition, and I messed up my dialogues on the final day pretty bad. And I thought this was it. This is my last day on any stage in the school, but it wasn't. Because my teachers believed in me. They pushed me to do better, if not my best. And the fact that Principal Sir and Ma'am, my English teacher Kamal Ma'am, they continue to guide me even today. It means so much to me.
IHS is not just a school, it's home to all its students. No matter how many years you spend in the school, but the school will belong to you forever. Teaching can be thankless sometimes, but today I take this opportunity to thank all the lovely teachers to push us to face the real world. Thank you, teachers, and happy Teachers' Day.
From the class 10th batch of 2015, we thank all the teachers, especially our principal sir and ma'am, for all the love and all the support they have given us. Wherever we are today, we are because of you. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Vaishnavi and I'm an ex-student of the school. So happy to join you all on this special day. Wishing all the students and teachers a very happy and glorious Teachers' Day. Let me share a little story with you all. It was my first day at IHS and I was leaving the office with my dad, and I saw this tall man who stops me and says, "Oh, little lady, your shoelaces are untied." And I didn't react. I was back then this little shy girl who wouldn't open up so easily, and I tied my laces and quietly walked out. The next day I found that he was actually the principal of the school, and I was shocked. I mean, who would have thought? Aren't principals supposed to be in their offices, sitting on the chairs? And I was so afraid that what he must be thinking about me. I did not even wish him. I did not even talk to him. And I tell you, since that day to the very time I've been in school, he's been the same person. Like they say, a teacher is always a teacher before anybody else. And I was so lucky that I got that. And I think more than telling us how good we were, he would tell us where we are lacking, what we are not doing good. He would put us into challenging situations so that we grow out of it. And I think it's very important to understand this, because as kids, when we are in the school, we think that we hate our teachers so much. We think that why they're so strict with us and why they have to give us so much of homework. We hate them for it. But as you grow, you realize the importance of it. You in fact thank them for being exactly how they were, because otherwise you wouldn't have grown, otherwise you wouldn't have learned. And I tell you, all that I have or will have ever in my life, I will owe that to my teachers. To all the kids out there, I just want to say that, you know, today you have everything at your hand. It's just a click away. You have the best of technology, the best of everything. So now I think you can be in fact the support pillars to your teachers. And I remember the way we used to do annual events and all the annual days, everything, you know, be it principal, the teachers, or the students, we forgot ourselves. We came together as a team, and I think that was the reason we could put up a wonderful work together. So when we work as a team, I think it's one of the best things, and the journey becomes way more beautiful and easier. To all the teachers, I want to thank you all for doing what you are doing. I'm so overwhelmed by emotions. I mean, I miss my teachers so much. I got to learn so much from them, and now when I'm out in the world, I can proudly present myself. I'm a completely changed person. I don't recognize myself now. This little shy girl has turned up into a confident person, and this is all because of my teachers. I think thank you for doing what you are doing, and I hope it is from all of your love and passion, because as kids we only need that. I would like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Anand for always being there, and for letting me have this opportunity to be with you all today and speak to you. Thank you all. I know I've taken longer. Excuse my emotions. I'm so overwhelmed. But thank you once again, and please take care of yourselves and your family. Enjoy, have fun, and I will leave you all with one last quote that I read. It was by Aristotle, and it says that those who educate are to be honored than any person else, because they are the ones who gave us the art of living well. And I think that sums it up pretty well.
and wherever we'll ever be, we all owe it to our teachers. Let's take this day to thank them for it. Love you all.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parbrahma, Tasmai Shri Guru Ve Namaha. Good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day, a day that's kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Teachers are the backbone of society. So let us take this opportunity and convey our warm wishes to all our loving teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. Every year, 5th of September is celebrated as Teachers' Day. It's a day that is filled with joy and happiness, as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers that how much they are special to them. 5th of September is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Along with being a successful leader in the form of President of India, he was also a great scholar and an excellent teacher. A teacher is a star who teaches kids how to shine and gently encourages them to spread their wings and fly. The outbreak of COVID-19 has left the country to shut its doors to contain the spread of coronavirus, leading to disruption in the lives of people. There are a large number of corona warriors who are going the extra mile to battle the pandemic, and they all deserve our respect and thankfulness. Along with all corona warriors stands our teaching community. The country is immensely proud of the teaching community. Teachers have embraced the present situation with positivity and have used it as a growth opportunity. Our teachers have been incredible as they leapt with zeal, commitment and creativity into this new way of online teaching. Our teachers have been producing online curricula all while dealing with their own quarantine families. Those are hardworking teachers and not less than corona warriors. Thus, with this regard, I would like to wish all my loving teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Everyone, happy Teachers' Day to all the dear teachers present there. You all teachers have been inspiring me to do my best, and that's very grateful for all the teachers who are working so hard in this situation, and we love you all.
Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. You have always supported us when no one did. Thanks for being a great inspiration, a great motivation and loving us from the bottom of your heart. You have been like a candle that lights the life of other people. Thank you so much for always supporting us in our dark times. You are an awesome teacher. An awesome teacher is hard to find, difficult to part with and almost difficult to forget. You have always supported us and you have always been next to us in each and every step of life. Thank you so much for always being there with us.
Wishing you all a very, very happy Teachers' Day. It is rightly said that teaching is one profession that creates all the other professions. Amidst these corona times, it would have been nearly impossible to carry on with our academics if these teachers wouldn't have put in these many efforts. They truly are a blessing who have blessed us with their vast knowledge and resources for our well-being. Whatever we will ever be in life, we owe it to these teachers. This selfless love has been a great motivation to get going through every step of life and achieve success. Thanks for being a true mentor. Saying thank you cannot cover for all that you've imputed in us, but nonetheless, I'll say it. So a very big thank you for all that you've done for us. And a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. Today is an auspicious occasion where we get a chance to acknowledge the hard work of teachers who mold the students into the future leaders. So today, on this occasion, I would like to share a short poem by Tyler Mali, What Teachers Make. One day, dinner guests were sitting around table and discussing life. One man, a CEO, decided to explain the problem with education. He argued, what kids will learn from someone who chose his first option of life to be a teacher? What kids will learn from someone who chose the best option of his life to be a teacher? To corroborate, he asked another guest, you are too a teacher, what do you make, Suzanne? Suzanne replied, you want to know what I make? I make students wonder I make students learn harder. I make them question and I make them criticize. I make them write. I make them read, read, read. I make them spell definitely beautiful, and definitely beautiful over and over again until they misspell one of those words again. I make them understand the power of words. I make them realize that sometimes problems are not too big. We are too small that we cannot handle them. I make them understand that if you have brains, follow your heart. And if someone asks you, what do you make? Don't pay attention. You want to know what I make a difference. And you, what do you make? So by concluding, I would just like to say, teachers are not necessarily present only in school. Everyone around us teaches something or the other. The greatest of all teachers is life. That teaches us the art of survival. And I take privilege in wishing all the mentors in our school and across the country the Happy Teachers' Day. Teachers are blessings in disguise. They are the guiding lights that brightens our lives all through. Thank you and have a nice day.
I wish you all a great distance from our prominent new pal, the COVID-19. Jokes apart, but the current day demands such wishes and therefore I thought this would be an apt wish. Anyways, I am Lavi Chauhan of grade 10th. I start off with wishing every one of you a very happy, prosperous, safe and a rocking Teachers' Day. I won't talk too much and bore you all. 5th of September, the birth anniversary of one of India's most favorite teacher and its second president, who was a philosopher and an educationist too, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. In India, this very day is celebrated in his honor. We pay our gentle regards and great respect to their selfless service. I have always thought that every teacher deserves a huge respect for their hard work. Today, I have got an opportunity. I would like to thank each and every one of you who have always supported us and who have always been there for us. Thank you and once again a happy Teachers' Day.
When God created teachers, He gave us special friends to help us understand His world and truly comprehend the beauty and the wonder of everything we see and become a better person with each discovery. Happy Teachers' Day to my respected teachers. Teachers play an extremely important role in shaping our lives and molding our personalities. They work selflessly for our betterment, not expecting anything in return. This pandemic has affected everyone's life. But I believe it's the teachers who have to change and adapt to the new situations the most. They have to discover new and innovative ways of teaching. After endless teaching hours during the day, they even answer our queries 24/7 through messaging applications. Today, I have got the opportunity to show my gratitude towards the teachers for all their hard work and sacrifices they have made for us and for our future. Thank you.
Good morning to all our respected teachers. As we gather here today to celebrate the occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to thank each and every teacher of the Indian Heritage School for inspiring us and teaching us during the lockdown. Today is a special day for all of us, where we can repay the tribute to our dear teachers who take untiring efforts to teach us. The pandemic indeed has changed the way the teachers teach, but they are doing their best to teach us. And once again I thank each and every teacher for teaching us and spending most of the time on teaching so that we students are not left behind in this lockdown. Teachers' contribution in making us the people we are is no retelling. There is no one like teachers. They help us shape our minds and personalities and help us become a better person. Their importance in our lives is reinstated with each passing day, and we always feel grateful to them. The Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on 5 September, a day that coincides with the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the former President of India. He said that teachers should be the best mind in the country, and it is his belief that this day is honored. So once again, I thank you for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. You opened our mind and guided us. A very happy Teachers' Day.
Hello everybody and hi IHS. I am extremely happy and excited today to connect with each one of you on this platform. Though it's virtual and remote, I feel as though I'm almost there at the school. Those people who do not recognize me, I'm Chaya, once a staff member of IHS and also the one who stayed on the campus. The time that I spent on the campus has been fun and rewarding and has made that time period very, very memorable. Every day on the campus at IHS was a new challenge, and not a single day was the same day. I think it was the energy, the curiosity, and the love of the students which made my work much more gratifying. IHS is a site which does not only educate children, but it also celebrates education. It's rare that each day is the same on the campus. Remember, teachers, students, and parents, teaching is a rewarding profession and a career of continuous learning. The children teach you as you teach them. So teachers, also you have to be creative superheroes. But the privilege of seeing the students' progress and growth throughout the year in your classroom is much more satisfying and fulfilling. Knowing that you played a small part in someone's achievement leaves a sensational feeling. I would say IHS gave me an opportunity to build positive relationship with my students, staff, parents, and a wider community. There were hard times when there were complaints about the quality and the quantity of teaching, but then there used to be those good times and the good people who literally worshipped that you were the ones who walked into their life and they went that extra mile for the child. So teachers, just do not give up on the students, and you are actually the soul and the life of the classroom, and you are the ones who would be imparting the good education. On this note, I would like to wish one and all a very happy Teachers' Day and a special thank you to Mr. Anand for inviting me to join the virtual celebration. So finally, a small message for the students that in this critical situation or in this time of uncertainty, please stay positive, keep your mind active, use this time learning on your own and with your family. Try to pick up a good book, read something, or write in a journal. Go outside and enjoy some exercise and find something new today and keep your mind and bodies growing. Thank you. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Well, good morning, everybody. Let me at the very outset wish all the teachers, my colleagues and friends, a very, very happy Teachers' Day. After being in this profession for close to 40 years, I still feel I am more of a student than a master. Learning from children, from teachers, from environment, and from everything around me. I struggle to find it difficult to understand or define a student-teacher relationship. Try and visualize the life without a teacher, or in different words, what it's being without a teacher. Don't you think it's like casting someone on the waves of a stormy sea who doesn't know how to swim, asking him to find his or her way to the shore? This precisely what a teacher does, and this precisely to some extent explains the student-teacher relationship. A teacher not only teaches a student how to swim, but also ensure its safety to the shore. even the kids would find it difficult to fathom the depth of this student-teacher relationship. It is a unique bonding and a connect, unique by itself and uncomparable to all other relationships. As a matter of fact, it outlives all other relationships. You can't really give it a name. It's sort of nameless, and that's its beauty. It's like a crystal dewdrop which can only be felt but cannot be controlled or possessed. It is something which is beyond time. Time doesn't affect its emotional and rational content. And since it cannot be expressed emotionally also, like other relationships, it is beyond emotions too. It is a relationship that helps both to grow. One cannot survive without the other. It simultaneously affects two lives. It enriches two lives. It is basically a combined journey of discovery, of exploration, of learning. The intense engagement in solving puzzles, the debates and elocution and arguments, collective thinking and innovating and creating, all adds richness to this beautiful relationship. The punishments and reprimands also add beauty to it. The momentary animosities disappear in no time with a few words of encouragement. There is never a moment of ill will or rankling. The small games that the teachers play to understand a student's mind, and the student's aware that he or she is being that he and she is under scrutiny, adds to the joy and fun to this relationship. In residential schools, however, the student-teacher relationship is of a much higher and of a different level. The close proximity of being physically, emotionally, intellectually, mentally close together places the relationship on a much higher pedestal. Whatever it is clean, beautiful, and sublime. I find myself inadequate to clearly define this relationship. I can only feel it. With this, I wish each one of you a very, very happy and a very inspirational Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Hello IHSites. Oh, thank you so much for being such wonderful, responsible citizens and staying at home, maintaining all the norms, preventing the spread of this pandemic. So really hats off to all of you. I know the pain, I understand the sacrifice that you are making, you know, missing school, missing your friends, missing the chehel pehel, you know, of IHS. And I do pray that things get fine very soon and you come back to the life that you love. Okay? So here is a prayer for all of us. Lord, please bless my students and help them as they grow. May I teach them fruitfully the things they need to know, so they may face the future knowing they are prepared. And when they think of school days, may they know their teacher cared. So lots of good wishes, lots of blessings for all of you. Don't worry, we have crossed many waves in life, and we will very soon cross this and be on the horizon of togetherness. Stay home, stay safe.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Good morning all of you. I wish you happy Teachers' Day for all my colleague teachers and as well as the friends who are working in teaching professionals. And I miss you all kids because of this COVID-19. We are staying at home, and I request sincerely the children that they should listen to the parents well and teachers, and at the same time they have to be safe at home, and they have to give much attention to the health and hygiene conditions, and everything should be good, going to be good in future days. And be happy, always be prosperous. I wish you good luck. God bless you all. Have a nice day.
ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਤੇ ਅਧਿਆਪਕ ਦਿਵਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ। ਮੈਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੀ ਅਧਿਆਪਿਕਾ ਸੁਰੇਖਾ ਸਾਨੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਰੂਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਖੁਦ ਹਨੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੜ ਕੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਚਾਨਣਾ ਕੀਤਾ। ਮੇਰੀ ਕਵਿਤਾ ਕੁਝ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੈ। ਪੱਥਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਹੀਰਾ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਤਾਕਤ ਰੱਖਦੀ ਹਾਂ, ਪੱਥਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਹੀਰਾ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਤਾਕਤ ਰੱਖਦੀ ਹਾਂ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਅਧਿਆਪਕ ਹਾਂ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਅਧਿਆਪਕ ਹਾਂ, ਖਿਜ਼ਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਫੁੱਲ ਖਿੜਾ ਸਕਦੀ ਹਾਂ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਅਧਿਆਪਕ ਹਾਂ, ਖਿਜ਼ਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਫੁੱਲ ਖਿੜਾ ਸਕਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਥੱਕਣਾ ਅੱਕਣਾ ਟੁੱਟਣਾ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ, ਥੱਕਣਾ ਅੱਕਣਾ ਟੁੱਟਣਾ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ, ਮਿਹਨਤੀ ਅਧਿਆਪਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਹੀ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਲਿਖਿਆ, ਮਿਹਨਤੀ ਅਧਿਆਪਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਹੀ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਲਿਖਿਆ। ਸਮੇਂ ਨੇ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਗੁੱਜੀ ਮਾਰ ਮਾਰੀ ਹੈ, ਸਮੇਂ ਨੇ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਗੁੱਜੀ ਮਾਰ ਮਾਰੀ ਹੈ। ਸਾਥੀਓ, ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਇਨਕਲਾਬ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਦੀ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਹੈ, ਸਾਥੀਓ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਇਨਕਲਾਬ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਦੀ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਹੈ। ਨੰਨੇ ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਖਿੜਨਾ ਸਿਖਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ, ਨੰਨੇ ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਖਿੜਨਾ ਸਿਖਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ। ਮਾਪਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਕੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹਣਾ ਹੈ, ਮਾਪਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਕੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹਣਾ ਹੈ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੰਨਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਖਾਤਰ ਸਭ ਨਾਲ ਲੜ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੰਨਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਖਾਤਰ ਸਭ ਨਾਲ ਲੜ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ, ਫਿਰ ਮੂੰਹੋਂ ਮੰਗੀਆਂ ਮੁਰਾਦਾਂ ਪਾਵਾਂਗੇ, ਫਿਰ ਸਾਥੀਓ ਮੂੰਹੋਂ ਮੰਗੀਆਂ ਮੁਰਾਦਾਂ ਪਾਵਾਂਗੇ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। ਦੋ ਕੁ ਲਾਈਨਾਂ, ਦੋ ਕੁ ਤੁਕਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਲਈ ਬੋਲ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਤੇ ਨਿਰਭਰ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਆਉਣ ਤੇ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਰੋਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਆਉਣ ਤੇ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਰੋਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਖਰੀ ਵਾਰ ਨਿਕਲਣ ਤੇ ਰੋਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਖਰੀ ਵਾਰ ਨਿਕਲਣ ਤੇ ਰੋਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੀ ਸਕੂਲ। ਸੋ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫਿਰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ अध्यापक दिवस ਦੀਆਂ बहुत बहुत बधाइयां।
शिक्षक दिवस की सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। हम हर वर्ष 5 सितंबर को ये दिन मनाते हैं। ये दिन डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन की जयंती के उपलक्ष्य में मनाया जाता है। डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन एक प्रसिद्ध विद्वान थे और उसके साथ साथ एक महान शिक्षक भी थे। इसके अतिरिक्त वो हमारे देश के प्रथम उपराष्ट्रपति और स्वतंत्र भारत के दूसरे राष्ट्रपति भी रहे। डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन को भारत रत्न से सम्मानित भी किया गया। हम सब जानते हैं कि जीवन में सफल होने के लिए शिक्षा का एक महत्वपूर्ण स्थान है। इसीलिए शायद कहा गया है कि सफलता तक पहुंचने के लिए हमें जिस मार्ग को अपनाना चाहिए वो है शिक्षा का मार्ग, और वही मार्ग जो है सबसे उत्तम मार्ग है। लेकिन हम सब जानते हैं कि ये मार्ग हम अकेले तय नहीं कर सकते। इस पर हमारे साथ जो हमारी सहायता करते हैं, इस पर चलने के लिए, हमें हमारे लक्ष्य तक पहुंचने के लिए जो हमारी सहायता करते हैं वो है हमारे शिक्षक। तो शिक्षक का भी हमारे जीवन में, हर किसी के जीवन में एक महत्वपूर्ण स्थान है। इसीलिए शायद हमारे इतिहास में गुरु का स्थान सबसे ऊंचा स्थान माना गया है। संत कबीर जी ने भी कहा है कि अगर मेरे सामने गुरु और गोविंद यानी कि ईश्वर और शिक्षक दोनों खड़े हों तो मैं सबसे पहले किसके चरण को स्पर्श करूंगा? तो गुरु कबीरदास जी कहते हैं कि मैं सबसे पहले अपने गुरु के चरण को स्पर्श करूंगा। क्यों? क्योंकि उन्होंने हमें ईश्वर तक पहुंचने का मार्ग बताया है। तो इसीलिए एक शिक्षक का हमारे जीवन में, एक गुरु का हर व्यक्ति के जीवन में एक महत्वपूर्ण स्थान होता है, क्योंकि एक गुरु जो है वो एक मार्गदर्शन के रूप में हमें जो है हमारे सही रास्ते पर चलना हमें सिखाता है। और इसके लिए कभी कभी वो नियमों का भी हमारे लिए कुछ नियम बनाता है, और वो नियम क्या करते हैं? हमारे जीवन में अनुशासन लाते हैं, और उन्हीं नियमों के कारण शायद हम एक इंसान से एक व्यक्ति बनते हैं। कहने का भाव ये है कि वही नियम, वही अनुशासन जो है हमें एक सही जीवन जीने का जो है ढंग सिखाता है। इसीलिए जो गुरु है वो हमारे लिए, अपने विद्यार्थियों के लिए जो है कुछ नियम जो है वो बनाते हैं ताकि उनका जो भविष्य है वो उज्जवल हो सके। तो मैं एक बार फिर से कहना चाहूंगी कि शिक्षक जो है वो हर एक व्यक्ति के जीवन में एक महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाता है। इसी के साथ